Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I will be showing you how to enable dark mode on Pinterest in this video. Let's get started. Start by opening Pinterest on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Here you can find many settings options. Tap on Account Management. It will show you many settings related to your account. Go to App Theme. There are three different options. First is the system default, which means it will automatically be the theme of your device. If it's dark, then automatically it will be dark and vice versa. The other options are light or dark. Now to enable dark mode, simply tap on dark. Now the dark mode has been activated. This is what the dark mode on Pinterest looks like. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.